Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about SQ3R method, which is a very powerful learning method. S stands for survey, Q for query, and 3R stands for read, recall and review. S is survey, which is first of all we look at the topic and we try to survey the topic which we are trying to learn. And Q is query, which we try to understand the topic by asking the questions. Next I am going to talk about the 3R. First we are going to read through the sentence. Even if it is difficult, we are going to go through the sentence and try to go through along the sentence and try to understand whatever we can. Next we are going to review the sentence and try to form the maximum understandable information from the sentence. Now I am going to talk about how surveying is done. We are going to go through the headings and make a summary if possible. Next we are going to the query. In query we are going to make a question and we are going to think how and why we made this question. And then we are going to read and try to find the answers to this question and make the flashcard and pin it to the side of the textbook. In summary, SQ3R method is a powerful method for reading books and lengthy material. It's simple to follow. Thank you.